Welcome back everyone to another episode of Cooking with Jack Zach. I am your host as always, Jack Zach, and today we are going to be cooking Szechuan steak stir fry. And if you haven't been with us before, I'd like to welcome you to my channel. This YouTube channel was created for individuals who find it hard to find time to make a great tasting meal, but I'm here to show you that you can make a great tasting meal in under 30 minutes or less. Everything on this YouTube channel is cooked in 30 minutes or less. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, let's go over what we're going to need today. First thing you're going to need is your stir-fried vegetables, 2-quart casserole dish, your Szechuan sauce, minute rice cups, and of course, your stir-fried steak. Alright, let's get cooking. So the first thing we're going to cook is our stir-fried vegetables. So we're going to empty our stir-fried vegetables into our 2-quart casserole dish. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of water, add that to the vegetables. We're going to place our lid on top and make sure that it has the 2 holes uncovered so it can let off the steam. And we are going to cook this in the microwave for 3 minutes. Alright, our 3 minutes is up. Let's take our vegetables out of the microwave and give it a quick stir. And then we're going to place these back in the microwave for about 5 minutes. When these are in the microwave cooking, we are going to get our steak going. We're going to turn our steak up to medium-high heat. Get that heated up, and then we're going to place our steak in there. But let's get the vegetables going for about 5 minutes. Alright, our vegetables are done. Make sure you have some cooking mitts on hand because it's going to be really hot. So let's take these out. We got our pan nice and hot. Let that cool off a bit. And now we are going to throw in our steak. Here we go. Now, we're going to let this cook for probably about 5 to 6 minutes. So, I'll be back once this is done cooking. Steak is looking good so far. And remember guys, you can make a great tasting meal in 30 minutes or less. Okay, it's only been a few minutes and our steak's looking good. Time to add in the Szechuan sauce. And you can add as much as you like. I think that should be enough. Let's give that a good stir and let the steak marinate in this Szechuan sauce for another few minutes. And we're almost ready to eat. Last thing we need to do is throw in our minute rice cup into the microwave for 1 minute. Alright, we're all set. Time to plate and time to eat. First off, let's put down our rice. Let's get that. And these rice cups, these come out to just a little bit over a cup of rice. And then we will put down some of our vegetables. Add in Szechuan steak. There we go. Look at that. Now that's a great tasting meal in way under 30 minutes. Alright everybody, that's my time for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Jack Zach. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you don't miss an episode of Cooking with Jack Zach.